Yo, here's what. Let me give you a contemporary definition of a paradox. You have a graffiti artist, and you're technologically inclined, but you're not intelligent, Tony Stark.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show. No, you can come at me. No, seriously, I have the skin tone for it. I have the skin tone, and I have the elasticity in my nose from pretending that I'm a boxer.
Yo, here's what. Let me give you a contemporary definition of a paradox. You have a graffiti artist
touching my apples, and it's just it's upsetting. It's a paradox.
Paradox.
It's a paradox. It's a pair of ducks.
That's not a paradox.
Paradox isn't a paradox?
I thought Tony Stark, Iron Man, you're technologically inclined, but you're not intelligent, Tony Stark.
Okay, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. Glad to have you on the show.
Listen, I don't know what the only thing that I know is a byproduct of those ballpark franks.
Well,
they put that's why I eat butter sausage. I love butter sausage.
Well, a byproduct, let me explain. A byproduct is what do you just say? A butter sausage?
Byproduct. That means
a lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on specifically subjects that I found intriguing. And so what I did was I published on my website a consolidation of a number of different subjects I lectured on, and also things I did on a personal level. So what my website is really based on is a consolidation of a number of different subjects where I discuss the physics. Our consciousness is something that we have to proactively take initiative to a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogia. Power hypnagogia have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hands. And as he's about to fall asleep, the object will drop and he will wake and remember his hallucination. Because if the brain transitions from different brain state, from the deep delta state, the theta state, back to the alpha, while it's transitioning, you may not be able to recollect the dream.
Just like when you try to return something at Whole Foods, if an Amazon product, sometimes they'll tell you to go to another store.
That is such a bad.
We don't do it.
That's such a bad analogy.
How dare you? Our first fight.
Yeah, that's a bad analogy.
No, but it's true. I just went into Whole Foods, and I tried to return something, and they said, "No, this says you have to do it at another store."
Yeah, they do that sometimes. Because see, how you like this jacket?
I really like it.
Yeah, I'm not changing jacket because people will think I'm wealthy. So, any more deep questions about music, drawing, art?
How about Christmas? You celebrate Christmas?
No.
You don't believe in the written whatever? Is it a pagan thing? How do you see Christmas?
I don't focus on things that don't really align with my general interest. I see it more of a distraction. So I'm probably going to spend Christmas studying stuff like drawing, painting, art, music. Just again, our state, our consciousness is something that we have to proactively
take. Guy that bags groceries at the Ralph's down the street. This guy. Racquetball, and you're just, well, okay, we didn't expect that. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex?
I'll tell you what will cause that. Lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, or psilocybin, mushroom, or dimethyltryptamine, the big term for DMT. Any sort of psychoactive substance that temporarily alters your state of mind, really transcends you into a place. And this is what Einstein and Hendricks used to do a lot. They used to explore something called power hypnagogia. Power hypnagogia have two areas.
My favorite villain is this guy that bags groceries at the because I mean, you're not just the jacket.
That Christopher Reeve is actually the alter ego and not Superman. He was born Superman. So he was born a superhero.
Oh.
Let me ask you a philosophical question about something that's not philosophical.
Yeah.
Where do we go when we sleep?
Parahypnagogia, you have two areas. You have hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucination. Hypnopompic hallucination occurs on the onset of sleep. Hypnagogic occurs on the offset. And what Einstein would do is he would doze off with an object in his hand.